Hi, this is Avin. Welcome to my channel Tricks World. Many students are curious to know about organic chemistry. Here I give you some techniques that makes the organic chemistry easy. Recall how we learnt English. We started with ABCD. Using alphabets, we were able to construct the sentences. In the same way, to learn chemistry, we should know the ABCD of chemistry so that we can understand the concepts easily and we will be able to crack JEE, NEET or any competitive level exams. If a question is asked, what is the IUPAC name of normal alkane with the formula C35H72? If we don't know the counting of carbon atoms, then it is impossible to give the IUPAC name of this compound. The IUPAC name of this compound is penta-tricantane. Penta means 5, tricantane means 30. Total 35 carbon atoms are present in this molecule. Therefore, its IUPAC name is penta-tricantane. As we know, counting in English 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the same way, we should know the counting of carbon atoms in organic chemistry. If we don't know the counting of carbon atoms in organic chemistry, it becomes not only difficult but also impossible to give IUPAC name of many compounds. Organic compounds made up of only carbon and hydrogen atoms, they are called as hydrocarbons. If carbon atoms exist in straight chain, open chain, it is called as aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are of three types. We call alkanes if carbon-carbon single bond exists. We call alkenes if carbon-carbon double bond exists. We call alkynes if carbon-carbon triple bond exists. It may be alkane, alkene or alkyne. Counting of carbon atom is done in this way. If one carbon atom is present, it is called meth. 2 carbon atoms are present, it is called eth. If 3 carbon atoms are present, it is called prop. When 4 carbon atoms present in straight chain, it is called as but. 5 carbon atoms pent, 6 carbon atoms hex, 7 carbon atoms hept, 8 carbon atoms oct, 9 carbon atoms non, 10 carbon atoms when present in straight chain, it is called as dec. What if there are 11 carbon atoms present in straight chain, and if you think for 1 meth and for 10 dec, and if you guess its name as meth dec, it is wrong. Here, according to IUPAC, for 1 un is used and for 10 dec is used. When 11 carbon atoms present in a straight chain, it is called as undec. And when 12 carbon atom present in straight chain, if you guess eth dec, again it is wrong. Here, for 2 it is do is used and for 10 dec is used. When 12 carbon atoms present in straight chain, it is called dodec. 13 carbon atoms tridec, 14 carbon atoms tetradec, 15 carbon atoms pentadec, 16 carbon atoms hexadec, 17 carbon atoms heptadec, 18 carbon atoms octadec, 19 carbon atoms nonadec. When 20 carbon atoms present in a straight chain, it is called as icosa. Both are valid. If 21 carbon atoms present in straight chain, and if you think for 1 un and for 20 icosa, and if you guess un icosa, it is wrong. Here, according to IUPAC, for 1 hen is used. Therefore, when 21 carbon atom present in straight chain, it is called as hen icosa. 22 carbon atoms present in straight chain, it is called as docosa. 23 carbon atoms tricosa. If 30 carbon atoms present in straight chain, it is called as triconta. Tri means 3, conta means multiplied by 10. When 40 carbon atoms are present in straight chain, it is called as tetraconta. 50 carbon atoms present in straight chain, it is called pentaconta. 60 carbon atom present in straight chain, it is called as hexaconta. 90 carbon atoms present in straight chain, it is called as nonaconta. 100 carbon atoms when present in straight chain, it is called as hecta. Alkane with 100 carbon atoms is called as hectane. Consider an example. Here 3 carbon atoms are present in straight chain, so we use pro, and there is carbon-carbon single bond. Therefore, this is an example of alkane, so we use ane suffix for this. Therefore, its name becomes propane. If it is like this, Again there are 3 carbon atoms, therefore we call it as pro, and as there is carbon-carbon double bond, it is an example of alkene, therefore we use the suffix ene, therefore the name becomes propene. If it is something like this, again there are 3 carbon atoms, so we call it as pro, but there is a triple bond between carbon and carbon, so it is an example of alkynes. So we use the suffix yne, therefore the name becomes propyne. 4 carbon atoms in straight chain, so its name is bute. As there is carbon-carbon double bond, so its name becomes butene. Double bond starts from first carbon atom, therefore its IUPAC name becomes but1ene. In this example, there are 4 carbon atoms in straight chain, so its name is bute. And there is a double bond, so its name is butene. Double bond starts from second carbon atom, therefore its IUPAC name becomes but2ene. In organic chemistry, functional groups and substituents are counted in this way. For 1, mono. For 2, di. 3, tri. 4, tetra. 5, penta. 6, hexa. In this way. Let's consider one example. This is a mono-substituted benzene. The name of this compound is nitrobenzene. Here 2 oxygen atoms are there. Its name is carbon dioxide. Here 3 chlorine atoms are present. Its name is trichloromethane. 4 chlorine atoms are present. Its name is tetrachloromethane. Here there are 5 chlorine atoms present. It is phosphorus pentachloride, and 6 chlorine atoms are substituted to benzene. Its name is benzene hexachloride or hexachlorobenzene. The name of this compound is hexachlorobenzene. In organic chemistry, many questions are related to benzene and benzene derivatives. Let us try to learn some important facts about benzene. 1 and 4 position are called as para position. 2 and 6 position are called as ortho position. 3 and 5 positions are called as meta position. Let us consider one example. In this example, functional group NO2 is present on 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th position. So its name is 4-nitrochlorobenzene. It is also called as para-nitrochlorobenzene. According to IUPAC, numberings are used, so it is 4-nitrochlorobenzene. And in common naming, para and ortho positions are used. The name of this example is 1,3,5. 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. Thank you for watching this video. This is Avin. I'm thankful to YouTube and millions of YouTube viewers.